I started doing mostly hunting and outdoor knives, which is kind of where I came from, and especially over the last 3 years now that I moved into North Forge, I've been focusing a lot on culinary blades. So it's a bit of a higher demand, but there's also a higher skill level to making the culinary blades. So there's a lot of technology here and machines that are a lot more precise than the machines that I was able to use or afford in my home shop. So I do a lot of like high-end chef knives, and then I do some custom pieces as well using layered steel, like Damascus steel. There's 3 tools I use every single day. The water jet is our high-pressure water mixed with an abrasive garnet, so it cuts steel with extreme precision. So I cut all of my blades on the water jet. The other thing is the CNC. So the CNC is where I make all of my handles on. So I can make complex handles and do all the contours on the handle in the CNC room. And the third thing is the lasers. So I use the lasers for all my engraving. So every knife that comes out of here, I engrave my logo on there, and then I also do all of my leather work on the lasers as well. You know, I use every single machine now in my business, and a lot of other people do as well. So they've got, you can make literally anything here. So I think it really lowers the bar for people starting a business and trying something out. If you don't have to spend, $30,000 to begin production, you can come in here and run it for, 6 months or a year, and you have a much lower cost of trying a business. And okay, that didn't work out, now I can try something new. Or that did work out, here's how I'm gonna change it, and it's easy to change how you're gonna run your business.